Here is how to add music to your Instagram story. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Instagram on your phone. And once you're here, click on the plus button that's on the top left. Then here select story. So this is the normal method to add a story. Then just select what you'd want to put on your story. Then select the photo or the video that you'd want to put on your story. So let's say I want this. Now the next step is to add music. And to do this, you'll see the music icon. That's the third option from the top. So click on it. And from here, you can decide what audio you'd want to add. So they have different options like for you or trending or saved. So you can go through each of these lists. And if you want to search for audio, you can search on top. For now, let's say I want to add blue. That's over here. I'll click on it. Then they've given us a preview. And if you like it, just click on the arrow. After that, you can decide which part of the audio you want in your story. So you can just drag this. And here you can select which part of the audio you want. Then you can decide how long you want the audio to be. So just click on 20 that's written here. And you can change the clip duration. Then they have a few design options. So if you just scroll through this, these are the options that you have. If you only want music, select the first option. Then if you want the name, you can select this. And they have some more design options which you can choose from. And one last option is to change the color of the text on top. So if you just click on the palette icon that's on top, as you can see, the color keeps changing. Then just click on the tick. And over here, we can resize this and place it wherever we want. So you can make it smaller. And let's say place it at the bottom right. And if you're fine with this, just click on your story to post it. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.